In this video, I'm about to show you how to try out Riverside.fm. First, navigate to the official Riverside.fm website on your web browser. Riverside.fm is a platform designed for recording high-quality audio and video content. It offers a free plan at $0, the standard plan at $15, the pro plan at $24, and the business plan by contacting. Next, click the Start for Free button in the top right corner. You can continue with Google account to sign up for your account. Now, choose your account and click Continue to give it access to Riverside. First, select something to start and how you want to start on the next page. Lastly, select how you hear about this website and click Let's Go. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account and start creating. After that, click the plus icon on the left side to create new studio. You can upgrade your plan from free to pro or business plan. To create a new project, click the New Project button on the right side. Following that, enter the title and select the option you want to start. If you select the Edit option, then upload the video from your device. After uploading, it'll start preparing your file, which may take a few minutes. You can use the AI feature to convert your text to speech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.